Hello everyone, my apologies for the lack of videos the past week and one day. The market really isn't doing enough to make me even want to make the videos. Now granted, we are having new long positions show up here and there, but they're pretty much self-explanatory, and so are the sells, so I really haven't been making videos. But it's been a week now, might as well make another one. Technically though, I didn't want to make one tonight because there isn't much to talk about. Once again, the market did nothing and has done nothing ever since Thanksgiving outside of 12/11. Since 12/11, though, we really haven't seen anything since 11/21. So we've gone almost a full month without really any significant action, and we're still trending above the 50-day moving average. On all major indexes, the NASDAQ undercut it, but quickly reversed back above it, which therefore we got rid of half of our SRTY hedge. But outside of that, everything else is just A-okay. There are no problems, so I don't know what to talk about. So let's go ahead and go to something we can talk about. UTHR, partial sell, closing below the 50-day moving average on above average volume. That's a 25% sell. We're going to watch it. If it's another down day on heavy volume, it's a 50% sell, and another down day, it's a 100% sell. But in this market, a lot of 50-day moving average undercuts have been reversed right back to the upside. So we'll wait before we start selling more. And LOCK also undercut the 50-day moving average. And if you look close, you can see it was also on above average volume. So it too is a 25% cut. So lock in UTHR, partial sells, and the only full sell, RMTI, complete failure, gapping below the 50-day moving average on heavy volume, continuing to sell off intraday on heavy volume. Maybe it put in a day of support, but bottom line, it shouldn't have had a move like this if it was healthy. So RMTI is completely gone. But on the other note, also, actually, we can look at a couple more stocks. I got two stocks on watch, GNC. It closed below the 50-day moving average on heavier volume, but had a good bullish intraday reversal, so it was not a sell. And recently, Jazz did that, and as you can see, it's still fine. And then also ARC, kind of closing, on heavier volume below the 20-day moving average, also again, but another bullish intraday tail prevents it from being a sell. So ARC and GNC, though they are on watch, closes below the low of days, will definitely trigger a sell event. 3 new longs, 2 ads, pretty exciting. Yelp, I want to get long just because Facebook, Twitter, everything, LinkedIn, everything's looking good on that, and hopefully LinkedIn doesn't roll over. But Yelp is retaking the 50-day moving average on a pocket pivot point buy signal. I'm going to take that as a new long signal. Close below the low of day, and I'm going to be completely gone. PRGO, surge in BOP, a surge in volume, and open near the low of day, close near the high day, or actually close at the high day, and a stock over $100 is always good to see. PRGO, though, has no room to fail. If it closes below 149.12, the low of day, it is completely out. But I like the surge in BOP volume, and I like the price bar action overall. I like it a lot. Looks really good. And then also GMED, Globus Medical. It was a stock that I followed early when it was an IPO. Thought it would be great. Got very choppy during the uptrend in 2013, but now looks to have been calming down ever since the breakout here. I passed on the breakout because it seemed like excuse me, I just ate some granola. It was a little extended, but now it feels like it's pulled back, and this breakout appears to be a little bit more concrete with the lower volume base, well below average volume in the base, higher volume breakout on very strong volume with another pocket pivot point buy signal and a BOP surge. GMED now looks to go. So GMED's good to go, PRGO's good to go, and Yelp's good to go for new longs. Also, I'm going to be adding to Tesla. Tesla closed above the 50-day moving average. That was going to be another buy signal. My first buy signal was a close above this recent resistance following the big up day. It got above that and with a nice close on the 12th, so we began our long position. Now close above the 50-day moving average will be another add. Another add will be a close above the November levels. I don't know the exact level, but I'll be watching for sure for a close somewhere, above this area. That will trigger another long signal in Tesla. And then PDFS giving another add signal. We got an add signal following our new long signal back here. New long on the 26th, add on the 27th, and now we're getting another add signal with another pocket pivot point buy signal. This stock has had a ton since July, and even more of a ton since the beginning of September. So that's good to see. BOP moved higher, relative strength, new highs, money stream, new highs, very heavy volume, nice breakout to new highs. 2% positions in all these. However, I don't think I have the capital to do that. So I got to do some math and figure out what I want to do where. But that's all for tonight. We'll see you hopefully tomorrow, unless the market does nothing and I have no new long signals or sells. Then once again, we're going to pass on the video because it just wastes your time. Aloha.